Can you eat chicken after gastric sleeve? After gastric sleeve surgery, eating can feel like learning from the beginning. Many wonder if chicken, a popular protein choice, is safe after the procedure. The answer is yes, but only when introduced correctly and prepared with care. Eating chicken too early or in the wrong form can cause discomfort, nausea, or even vomiting. Here's how to reintroduce it safely. 1. When you can eat chicken again, chicken should only be added once you reach the soft food stage, usually around week 4 to 6 post-surgery. Before that, your stomach is still healing, so stick to liquids and purees. Always confirm with your doctor before trying solid foods. 2. Choose the right type. Go for skinless, boneless chicken breast or ground chicken. These are lean and tender, making them easier to digest. Avoid fried, spicy, or heavily seasoned chicken, as they can irritate your new stomach pouch. 3. Prepare it the gentle way. How you cook matters. The best methods keep chicken soft and moist. Boil, steam, or slow cook it to retain moisture. Shred or finely chop before eating for easier chewing. Avoid overcooking, which makes meat dry and hard to digest. Use mild flavorings like herbs or low-sodium broth instead of heavy sauces. 4. Portion and pace. Your new stomach can't handle large meals. Start with 1 to 2 ounces of shredded chicken per meal. Eat slowly, chew thoroughly, and stop when you feel full. Rushing or overeating may cause pain or nausea. 5. Signs you're not ready. If you experience discomfort, pressure, or bloating after eating chicken, pause and return to softer foods. It's better to take small steps than to push your limits. Yes, you can eat chicken after gastric sleeve surgery, but timing and preparation are key. Soft, moist, and simple chicken meals help your body adjust while providing much-needed protein. With patience and mindful eating, you can safely enjoy chicken again as part of a balanced, post-surgery diet. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.